Quick update on Kaspa. As you can see from the last video, we were sitting in that 12-cent range, and since then we've actually jumped back up into the 14 to 15 cent range. We've jumped up into this green zone right here. This is an accumulation zone and it's an area of support. So we basically rejected this purple zone right here that kind of sits in that 11 cent to 12 cent range. We've rejected that, and now we're sitting pretty comfortably in that 15 cent range in this green zone. Overall, we are still in a consolidation phase. We have not broken through into new highs as of right now, and I do believe that we're going to consolidate for the next couple of days to couple of weeks. In my opinion, there's basically two things you need to look out for right now in the price movement of Kaspa if you want to get into a good entry, and one thing is looking for a breakout. I believe that this channel right here is going to be kind of where that breakout zone could potentially happen. So if we do see Kaspa go here, and then break out of this zone, then we're most likely going to be able to see new highs. But if we touch this and then get rejected, and then go back down into this purple zone and just oscillate in this descending bearish or bullish triangle, we most likely will not get a breakout. So I believe that's kind of one of two things that's going to happen. We're either going to break out of the zone and break into new highs, or we're going to keep oscillating and consolidating in this descending flag right here. Like I said in my previous videos, this exact same pattern has played out multiple times over the lifespan of Kaspa, most recently in around November and December, where we saw this movement up to the 15 cent range and then consolidation. We had a major dip right here down to about 9 cents. People thought we were going much lower. People thought we were going to 7 cents, but we actually did not. We went back up again and started consolidating at these higher levels until eventually we did break out of this zone, and I think that's basically what's happening right here with Kaspa. I'm still extremely bullish on Kaspa. Just today I made another video on my 10K portfolio. If you haven't watched that video, please watch it. In the time of this recording, I may or may not have released it, so if I already have released it, then go ahead and watch that video, because I break down my 10K portfolio and which coins I'm bullish on if I only had $10,000 to spend on crypto right now. As you can see, Kaspa is actually going to be the largest holding of that portfolio. A lot of people in the community have been saying that smart contracts are being implemented in Kaspa, and to my knowledge, that has actually not started yet. Smart contract implementation has currently is still in that planning phase. It's not hit development yet. It's not being tested. It's not obviously completed yet. It's still in the planning phase. This is Kaspa's website, by the way. You can see all of the different projects that they're working on currently. As you can see, some things have been already completed. Integration for use on Ledger, obviously it's been completed. They are still testing and revising the Rust coding language to make it a lot more streamlined, and they're also developing the Dagchain protocol. As of right now, they're working to increase blocks per second and transaction speed. It's also under development. Node improvements are also under development, but as you can see, the last kind of thing right here, smart contract implementation, is still in the planning phase. The aim of Kaspa, like I said, is to be the fastest, most scalable and secure proof of work layer 1, and without smart contracts, this is still achievable, but adding smart contracts is going to be kind of that cherry on the top, and that's still in the planning phase right now. And will it be implemented within the next 1-2 years? Most likely, but you have to be patient for smart contracts to be developed. Kaspa is currently about 23% down from its all-time high of around 19 cents on February 20th, which is around a month ago, and it's been consolidating for basically this entire month, and I believe right now is a great entry if you do not have any Kaspa yet. We are currently still kind of feeling out the market. It's really consolidating right now. We had a big sell-off of Bitcoin, so right now the market's still trying to catch up to that, so I think it's a perfect opportunity to buy. We're still a little bit fearful. Obviously we did have that greed, a lot of greed when Bitcoin hit its new all-time highs, but right now we're definitely experiencing a little bit of fear, which means it's of course the perfect time to buy your favorite coins. We still do not have any tier 1 listings yet, and I really think that we're going to see a few tier 1 listings very soon. A lot of these exchanges have been accumulating right under our noses, and I do believe that the time is coming for a tier 1 exchange for Kaspa. My price predictions for Kaspa have not changed at all. For bearish, I still see around a $1 Kaspa. For most likely, I see that $1.50 to $2 Kaspa. And in the super cycle, of course, we're going to get an extremely high Kaspa price. Now, if you have 0 Kaspa right now, I think right now is a great entry. Look to DCAN. It's still my strongest conviction altcoin play. I will continue saying that until Kaspa proves me otherwise. But that's going to be it for the video. Just a quick update, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all in the next video.